everybody. Hi, today we'll be looking at stand statements. The stand statements will determine whether you've answered the question correctly or whether you've gone out of point. First, let's look at this question. Is concern for the environment just a trend? Now take a couple of seconds to think about this question. Try crafting something in your head as a stand. Right, let's have a look at this stand. Concern for the environment may be trendy, but many are serious about its conservation. Do you notice that concern for the environment is repeated here? And that the word trend is also echoed here. If that's the case, then we're looking at the question in this way. This is a question. Is concern for the environment just a trend? And the response or the stand is concern for the environment may be trendy, but do you notice that there's a little bit of qualification here? Bingo! Spot on. Okay, let's have a look at another question. Only governments can put an end to environmental problems. Discuss. Work the stand in your head. Have a look at this stand. Do you notice that here we have the word governments, and yet it is not even mentioned in the stand? If this is the situation, then our Venn diagram would look something like this. This is the question, government, and this is the stand, consumers. So what does that tell you? This stand is not even answering the question. Right, let's move on to the next question. Is education a sufficient guide against crime? The focus is on education. Craft a stand statement in your head. Right, let's have a look at this stand statement. What has happened? Education has been changed for schooling. That means this is our question, education, and schooling is only a subset of the question. There's a whole lot of other issues that this essay will not discuss. So, this is not a good stand statement for the question. Finally, let's look at this question. Consider the view that science is a threat to humanity. Think about this question in your head. Can you craft a stand statement? Right, let's look at this stand statement. Now, the focus of this question is that science is a threat to humanity. Did the stand statement address that? Yes, it can threaten humanity. But look, it's done something more. It can bring about many advantages. So, this is our question. And this is the stand statement. What has happened is This essay is going to go beyond the scope of the question. So this part of the discussion will be out of point. I hope you had a good time looking at the stand statements using simple Venn diagrams. All the best for the prelims.